Alright, welcome back to the channel. Today, what we're about to be doing is installing some bigger injectors. Not too big. 313cc. So we're gonna take these two nuts off. Looks like some Allen joints. Yeah, right there. My bad. One, and then the one I already have on it. So there's two. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna show you. Hopefully these motherfuckers fit. It says direct fit. I'll show you the picture of where I got it from on eBay. Nothing but the best. Alright, stay tuned. Just a word to the wise. When you're taking these puppies out, right here, be careful. I dropped my shit underneath the intake manifold, but you know, luckily I got one of these bad boys. Just swing, and you're good. Once these two bolts right here are out, then initially this should just pop right up. Let me just make sure I have everything so I'm not yanking on anything. Alright, I appear to have everything. So we're gonna lift this up and we're gonna see if the new injectors, see if they fit. Alright, took me a little bit, but I got the old one out. This is the new one. Pray to God. Ooh. No. Damn. Alright, we'll see, I guess. We'll see. It says direct fit for AEB motors, right? That's a fucking AEB if I've ever seen it. I'm gonna try to slap this motherfucker in. I don't know. One is fucking on, dude. So one's on. Got one out. About to put the next one in, and then two left, and then hopefully they line up. I don't know. That was kind of tough. Yeah, that clip was kind of tough. I don't know. I hope it lines up perfectly because it said in the ad that it goes to these motors. So we'll see, right? I'll be pissed if they don't line up though. Alright, so I guess they don't fit. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong here. They're just too tall. Too fucking tall, bro. Well, story of my life. That's false advertisement, bro. Alright, so it's a lovely day out here at the job. And so in the last video, I didn't have the injectors dialed in properly, so I got a lot of bogging and just wasn't feeling right. So we're out here right now. The myth, the man, the legend himself is going to dial these in a bit.
What's going on? I'm trying to make this thing go fast.
Hell yeah, dude. So stay tuned. Once I get it all dialed in, I'm gonna take it for a trip in the favorite rocket ship, of course. That's back there. I have to wear these masks at work. It's kind of mandatory for us, so I just wear them to get used to them. I fucking hate them. Sometimes I can't breathe. So stay tuned. I'm gonna have it all dialed in. It's gonna be mint, and I'm gonna go for a ride. Let's go. On my break, that is. All right. So the tune is now uploaded. Yeah, so the tune's uploaded. Now the last thing that's left. Last thing that's left is to switch out injectors. So we're gonna put them back to the 30-pound injectors, and we're going to see if the tune helped out a bit more. So we'll see what happens. The other day when I did do them, my phone died on me. I ran out of memory, and then the phone died on me, so I didn't get to drive it per se. Well, I did drive it, but it bogged out on me a lot because it was just running way too rich. So we leaned it out a little bit more down low and then cleaned up a couple things. So I'm gonna slap those on and then we'll see how it runs. Okay. Alright, so what we basically got to do is there's a bolt here, bolt there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take apart all of these, the harness, Take the clips out. It's a little hot right now, so I'm gonna let it cool down some, but when I do get started on it, I'm gonna pull these clips out. I'm gonna pull this clip out here. That could be like to the camshaft position. I don't know what the fuck that is, but I'm unplugging that. And then I unplugged the fuel pressure regulator line. And there's one more thing I wanted to do, but I forget. I don't know. So anyways, I'm going to lift this up as much as I can. And then I'm going to take each clip right here, each clip out of each injector. Those hold the injectors into the fuel rail. So take those puppies out, and then the injector has a gasket on it like this. So sometimes those get wedged up in the fuel rail or in the manifold. So you just got to use a little bit of that arm strength, you know what I mean? Give it a good Popeye and rip it out. So we're gonna try one more time with the 30-pound 315cc. I'm on my break right now outside of the shop, so I'm gonna use my break as a good opportunity to get this done, so that when I do leave, I can see if the tune helped out tremendously. And that's kind of what I'm hoping. I'm hoping the tune works, helps the injectors, and then, you know, we can start making more power and we can start having fun, mess around with some people. So yeah, stay tuned. Alright, so I'm just filling up on a little bit of gas. The injectors are in. It bogged a little bit, but I don't have a check engine light, and it drives decent. It don't hesitate or misfire. So I'm just adding a little bit of gas to it. 93. Alright. I'll show you how it starts up. It's probably gonna be stupid hard to see. Yeah, it's hard to see. It's hard to record and fucking drive at the same time.
What's going on? I'm trying to make this thing go fast. What's going on? I'm trying to make this thing go fast.
Holy shit. Too much turbo. Way too much turbo. Look at that. Done for, kid. Alright, let's get cracking on it.
What's going on? I'm trying to make this thing go fast. I'm trying to make this thing go fast.
For the respect, yeah. Never settle for less. I'ma get that, spazzing on till it's bitch black. I am just an icon living. Anybody that hate, I will Smith them. Get it? If you didn't, well, I guess you gotta listen more. Listen.